Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shaun and welcome to my Delphi programming series. So I've already made this video actually, but I accidentally made it in like a really crap resolution. So now I have to remake it again. Anyway, before we start, we now have a WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group by going into this link, by following this link. It will then ask you to join the WhatsApp group. In the group, I'm in the group and many other people. We help you. You can ask questions there. You can just chat a bit or anything. It's just a Delphi group, so you can join it on WhatsApp if you want to. Anyway, today we're going to be learning how to make a hyperlink label, basically a normal label, but it will look and work like a hyperlink label on web browser, web page. So I just simply added 3 labels to this form. Let's delete it and do it from the start. Okay, I'm going to be leaving this link here. Anyway, let's add a label to the form. 2 labels to the form. There is 2 labels. Okay. So first go in the cursor, change the cursor to the CR hand point, and then the font, change it to 16 and the color to blue. Now you have 2 labels here. In the captions, we just enter 2 links. Going to be entering. I got a message on the group now also. Anyway, let's just enter 3 basics here and 3 dot. I'm using these 2 links because I don't have any data, and if you're a C, then Facebook offers these 2 websites for you for free. So that's really cool. Okay, so let's compile and see how this looks. So far it is blue like a link, and the cursor is a hand like a link. Let's start coding. Go to the events and Onmousemove event. We'll choose this one because this event is triggered when the mouse is detected moving on the label. So double click on it, and now both labels have the same event. Okay, let's choose, say, sender as the label. Okay, basically what we want is when the mouse is moved on this label, we want the label to be underlined, because on a web page a link is underlined when the cursor is on it. Okay, the sender as the label basically selects the label that the user has clicked on or is currently being used. At this moment, the sender will come from, let's say we move on this mouse, then it will select this label, which is label 1. So this actually now is label 1, or it could be label 2 if you move on this label. So dot font dot style. So we want to change the font style of the label as being which the cursor is currently on, and we want to set it to the same font style it currently is, but we just want to add underlinement to it. So we say just plus to add underline. The FS stands for font style and just underline. Okay, so let's compile and see how this looks. So now it will underline it, as you can see, but it doesn't remove it, by the way. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, I sneezed. Okay, let's just add the same event for this one also. So Onmousemove. Okay, now let's go to the Onmouseleave, and here it is the same. Send as the label dot font dot style colon equals sender as the label dot font dot size, but instead of adding it, we are now minusing it, so we're taking it away. On the line. Okay, so when the mouse is moved, we add the line, and when the mouse leaves the label, then we remove the underline. So let's compile and see how this looks, and it works. As you can see, so currently it already behaves like a link or hyperlink. Okay, so now let's add something else. Pop-up menu, add that to the form. Let's add a menu item, caption, copy to the board. Okay, double click on it, but wait, first select all three labels, and in the properties in the object inspector, under the pop-up menu property, select pop-up menu 1, then double click on the copy to clipboard one. Let's enter some code. So now we can't say sender as the label here because okay, before we continue, before we actually do this, let's do this first. Sorry, okay, let's first add the clipboard unit here. The clipboard unit allow us to use the clipboard. Okay, so add that to the users list. Now we can't select it like sender as the label because the sender is currently the menu item if we use it from here. So this code's a bit different. We'll say pop up menu 1 dot pop-up component as the label dot captions. This now selects the caption of the label if we right click on this one. Okay, but we want to copy to the clipboard, so we say clipboard dot as text, and we set it equals to the pop-up component or the label's caption. Let's see if this works. So now we can't click on it yet, but we can right click and copy to clipboard. Let's test it. Go to my browser, right click, paste, and the link works. As you can see, it copies and pastes. Okay, this clearly works. You can also see copy it here by seeing, as you can see. Okay, so this works. Now let's actually make the link work when we click on it. So select all three of them and the on click event, double click on it. Here's the event. Before we start, let's add shell API unit to it. Shell API will allow us to use the shell execute function. Like if you remove the shell API one, then this function won't be recognized by Delphi. You will see it will error here because the shell execute doesn't exist. Like you can see here, undeclared identifier shell execute. Same goes for the clipboard one. If we remove the clipboard, it will error us at the clipboard because clipboard that doesn't exist. That's why we have to add the clipboard and shell API units here. Okay, now the shell execute does exist in Delphi. Okay, first we'll have to, you can see it has plenty of parameters. Handle and operation should be open. Here we can just say pchart for now. Parameters here we can just add null, and show CMD we can add is show normal. Okay, so here you can also add it like this. I just prefer having the null. The SW show normal tells it to open whatever it's going to open as normal. You can also have this show maximized, I think, or something like that. Anyway, I'm just going to be using show normal, and here we basically have the links such as google.com, but right now we want the label here. So once we have to add pchar, and then we can add inside of this send it as the label dot captions. This will then take the caption of the label and then shall execute, it will see how it needs to be opened, and thus it will launch my browser. So let's compile. Click on Free Basics, and here it opens my browser. Free Basics, it's loading, as you can see. Or let's open Facebook, free.facebook.com, and here it opens my Facebook, and here's the WhatsApp link. So we can also open that. You guys should actually go and join this. And now it asks me to open WhatsApp. If you click yes, then it will actually open WhatsApp on your phone or your computer, as you can see, and it will ask to join the group. I'm just going to exit now. I also have the link in the description. And that's actually it for this video, guys. Now the next step would be to convert this label into a component. That's for a different video in the way future. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you in any way, then please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to make sure to subscribe, share, comment below if you have anything to say, and I'll see you in the next video.